Oh, I just had the best dream. Ian Forever Lucid here. We're gonna go from 0 to 1,000,000 and help a lot of people become wealthy and help a lot of people lucid dream. We're gonna do it right here and you're gonna watch it happen live. Okay, so now we're gonna follow the undercover billionaire model. If you haven't seen that show, Grant Cardone, Uncle G, what he did was in 90 days, he created $5.5 million business. So how did he do this? First thing he did was find a high net worth individual that he could provide value to. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're at the tennis courts, so maybe there's some high net worth people here. Let's see, any angel investors? This guy, he's a tennis coach. He might have some connections. Nope, no angel investors here. Let's keep looking. Couldn't find any angel investors. Probably we shouldn't have been looking in a park that's empty. Ian Forever Lucid here. We're gonna go to the internet right now, find some angel investors. Like Grant Cardone said, you work with high net worth people, provide value, they'll provide value to you. Any high net worth individuals? Hello, high net worth individuals. That didn't work. Oh, let's go to the internet. Couldn't find any people on the internet that are here right now. Well, library didn't pan out, so now we're just gonna use the old smartphone. We're gonna find some angel investors. So angel investors, seed funding. Come on, Google, give me something good. We talked to people. We did talk to one cool guy. Hey, do you know how to lucid dream?
Yeah, so I had a really weird experience with it where it was like, did it and somebody like came up to me in the middle of it and said that, hey man, you shouldn't be here. And after that I hadn't really messed with it a whole lot since.
Oh man,
so, yeah.
you should keep trying it. I teach people how to lucid dream consistently.
Really?
It's a lot of fun, yeah.
I couldn't do it consistently.
Oh, anybody can. Now I'm gonna help them, teach them how to consistently lucid dream. Check out foreverlucid.com if you want to learn how. It's really easy and a lot of fun, and it's free. Free training. And click plus, subscribe to this channel. You know you need to. You know you want to watch this series. You want to see, hey, can he really go from 0 to a millionaire? Yes, he can. He's gonna do that right now, right before your eyes. Some on the internet, we're gonna reach out to them individually. Tune in tomorrow and subscribe to see us reach out to angel investors, have a conversation, and get a meeting. See you later.